What if your Android phone could turn into a real crypto earning machine? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 Android mining apps that actually work. Beginner friendly tools that make starting super easy and safe. At number 5, we've got Electroneum, a mobile cryptocurrency app with a rating of 3.4 stars from 51K reviews and over 1 million installs worldwide. Electroneum is designed for real-world crypto use, not just trading charts and confusion. With the ETN app, you get a simple mobile wallet where you can store, send, and receive ETN instantly. One of the coolest features? QR code payments. Just scan, send, and done, no complicated wallet addresses. And here's where it gets interesting. You can actually earn ETN through digital tasks on platforms like AnyTask, and the money goes straight into your wallet. It's also built for global use, meaning you can send money to friends, family, or even businesses across different countries with ease. Plus, it's backed by a large crypto community, which helps keep the network active and growing. Electroneum focuses on making cryptocurrency simple and usable in everyday life. Not just something you hold, but something you actually use. Number 4, we've got Bitcoin mining, Crypto Miner. A beginner-friendly crypto app with a 4.6 out of 5 rating and over 455k reviews, trusted by more than 1 million users. This app lets you start a simulated or cloud-based Bitcoin mining experience without any expensive hardware or technical setup. You just pick a mining plan, tap start, and watch your BTC balance grow inside the app. It comes with over 20 different mining plans, real-time balance tracking, and a super simple interface made for beginners. Plus, your rewards are protected with encryption, and there's even a referral system where you can unlock extra perks with friends. People love it because it removes all the complicated stuff. No mining rigs, no electricity bills, no technical headaches. It's basically a simple way to explore Bitcoin mining concepts and track virtual rewards in an easy dashboard. Just keep in mind, rewards can vary and it's not guaranteed income. It's more about learning and exploring crypto in an easy way. The number 3, we've got Pi Network, one of the most talked about crypto apps in the world right now, with a solid 4.6 rating and over 100 million installs. Pi Network lets you earn and grow a digital currency called Pi directly from your phone. No heavy mining rigs, no draining your battery. It's designed to be lightweight, eco-friendly, and super easy for beginners. The app also works as a wallet, letting you securely store your digital assets in one place. You just check in daily, tap once, and stay active in the network. People love it because it removes the complexity of crypto. No tech skills needed. It's basically turning everyday users into early adopters of a growing digital ecosystem. But the big question is, will Pi Network become the next big crypto breakthrough or just another experiment? Drop your thoughts in the comments and follow for more app rankings like this. At number 2, we've got Trade, trading online, one of the most popular trading apps worldwide. With a strong 4.4 rating and over 100 million installs, this platform gives you access to 250 plus assets, including stocks, indices like the S&P 500, metals like gold and silver, commodities, and even ETFs. You can start trading with as little as a $10 deposit and open trades from just $1, making it beginner friendly. The app also includes 30 plus technical indicators, plus built-in analytics that help you track your performance and improve your strategy over time. One of the biggest advantages is the free demo account. You get $10,000 in virtual funds to practice without risking real money. Trade also offers learning tools like webinars, trading strategies, and market insights. So you're not just trading, you're actually learning as you go. And if you ever get stuck, there's 24/7 multilingual support and even trading coaches ready to help. Security is also a priority, with two-factor authentication and fund protection up to $20,000. At number 1, we have Binance. Buy Bitcoin and crypto, one of the most powerful crypto trading apps in the world. Key features. With a 4.6 star rating and over 4 million reviews, Binance lets you buy, sell, and store hundreds of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Pepe, and more. You can track live prices, set alerts, and even use advanced trading tools like Pro Investors. Want passive income? Features like staking, dual investment, and auto invest help your crypto work for you even while you sleep. What makes it stand out is speed, security, and massive global trust. It offers fast KYC verification, strong encryption, and one of the largest crypto liquidity networks, meaning smoother and faster trades. Plus, you can even spend crypto, send it worldwide, and explore Web3 tools all inside one app. That's the top 5 Android mining apps you can try today. Which one looks the most interesting to you? Comment your choice below and stay tuned for more simple crypto guides like this.